Death, a natural phenomena that happens to every living organism in this world. But what happens after that? Do we reincarnate, or do we transform into a spirit? Let's find out. When as humans started to think, they always believed in afterlife. There are many theories about afterlife according to different countries and different religions. So, let's take a look at them. According to the Greek mythology, at the moment of death, the soul separates from the body and is transported to the underworld. The underworld is a gray world ruled by Hades, the Lord of the Dead. Meanwhile, the Egyptian mythology doesn't even have the concept of spirit. They believe that after death, life will move from our body and dissolve to the urn of heirs. And they also believe that these souls can come back to its original body, and because of that, they preserved their relative's body by mummifying them. But in Buddhism, they had way different concept about this. In Buddhism, they didn't believe it in spirit, mainly they don't even believe it in God. But when Buddhism broke and Mahayana Buddhism came, they started considering Buddha as a god. They believed that after death, our mind and body will dissolve to the earth. So let's hear about the scientific way of death. What makes a human complete is its consciousness, and what makes this consciousness is a part called cerebellum that is in our brain. What helps this part to function properly is electric waves and signals. That means our brain also works how a machine works. If the electric input of a machine stopped, the machine completely shut down, and that's how our brain also works. There are mainly two types of death: clinical death and brain death. If a person is clinically dead, we can revive him using ventilation and other stuff, because even the person's organs are dead, his brain is still passing electric signals. But if a person had a brain death, making him alive is nearly impossible.